Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is Samsung's latest Galaxy Tab S7 FE. FE stands for Fan Edition, and just like with the Fan Edition phone that we had towards the end of last year, now we get a tablet. This, in my opinion, is mainly an enthusiastic type of device because it has a lot of great features that the fans of the Galaxy series would love, but at a more affordable price point. So, for an example, this has the same size display as the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, but it doesn't have the same display panel. This has a LCD panel when compared to the OLED on the Tab S7 Plus, but it has that big display with great speakers and a great budget price point when compared to the Tab S7 Plus. So overall, for someone who's looking for a new tablet, I think this one might be a great choice. Even for a student or for someone to get their office work done, this might be a great choice. Also, if you want to watch a lot of things, you can have YouTube, Netflix and all of that. Also for work related purposes, if you want to get Slack, Teams, Google Meet or even stuff like Zoom, all of that can be installed onto this and used for your day-to-day activities with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Another great thing is that this also has a SIM card slot here at the top along with a micro SD card slot. So let me quickly pop this out and show you guys that you can place a SIM and a micro SD onto this. And another interesting thing about the Tab S7 FE is that it has that same 10,090 mAh battery like the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So battery life should be pretty good. I've been using this for the past couple of days now, and so far so good. Even the standby times have been great. Every time the battery drains though, you can use this USB Type-C port here at the bottom to easily charge this really fast. And you can use this device like this horizontally because here at the bottom you get that magnetic dock option as well. If you get that keyboard accessory, you can use this like a laptop replacement if you wish, or you can just use it in portrait mode as well, just like this. So to get your work done, everything is just there. If you want to read a book, I have Amazon Kindle installed here with books and stuff, so you can get all of that done with the Tab S7 FE. And another enthusiastic feature that we get with the Tab S7 FE is S Pen support. So here I have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the S Pen and show you guys that this indeed supports the S Pen here. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on the button, and here we get all those options here with the Galaxy Tab FE. So I can go ahead and write whatever I want here on screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and say Andro Dollar and put a smiley face. Works great with the same animations and the sound effects that we love, and you can get the textures and the same caliber writing experience that we have been getting with the Galaxy Note series here with the Galaxy Tab Fan Edition. So if I write softly, it will take that stroke very softly like this, but if I just do it with pressure, it will take it like so, and I can change the brush and all of that here and use whatever I want. So for an example, if I want a pencil, I can use that over here, and if I put a lot of pressure, as you guys can see, it will reflect that, but if I do it softly, it will take that as well. So if you're into drawing and all of that, this will definitely assist you with that. And also, if you want to use this for entertainment purposes, definitely you can use Netflix, YouTube or whatever to watch your favorite shows here on this. And if you want to even store offline content on this, you can use that micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. You can store a lot of content here on this, and you can actually make this your primary laptop replacement if you wish, and manage everything. You can even put a SIM and take phone calls. You can use WhatsApp, and all of that comes packed into the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, that is the fan edition. And all of that is pretty great. And the speaker setup, I should also say, it's been pretty loud. I've made some changes to the equalizer, but overall the sound quality of this has been pretty great as well. I think to watch stuff on on Netflix, YouTube and all of that, this has been pretty great. I just docked this and watch different content while I'm working. So overall, in the past couple of days, it has been a pretty positive experience with the Tab S7 FE. Something that we don't really get here with the fan edition here is that we get a spec down when it comes to the processor here. So we don't get that same high-end processor that we get with the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. But overall the performance has been quite okay overall, considering the price that this tab comes in. So this you can look at it as an iPad Air replacement or iPad 8th generation replacement as well. iPad 8th generation video I already brought to you guys a couple of days back, so you can check out that video as well. So if you guys would love to see a comparison of sorts, I can definitely make that happen. Or if there are anything in particular that you want to see with the Galaxy Tab FE, let me know down below in the comment section so that I can try to make that happen for you guys. Definitely subscribe to my channel, because I'm still putting together my thoughts for a full review of this product. If you have any questions, I'll try to address all of that in that video as well. There are also a couple of color options for you to pick from, and also this has 5G compatibility. I'm not going to highlight that too much because as of right now 5G support is very lacking, at least here in Sri Lanka. It's not even being properly rolled out yet, but if you want to have future-proof your device, this really supports it. So you can have that peace in mind knowing that your device will one day be supported for that. So that's pretty great. So you can pick this up from any of the Samsung authorized service centers here in so if you're interested in picking one up, you can check it out at a Samsung Experience Center. I'll have the pricing and availability details down below in the description if you're interested, so you can check it out from there. So there are also a couple of color options for you to pick from. I have the black one over here. We have a camera sensor here at the back as well. I'm not going to stress too much on the camera experience, because who really even uses a tablet for taking pictures, right? I mainly use this for my meetings and work stuff, and also to watch stuff on YouTube and Netflix. That's why I have even changed the two shortcuts here so that I can quickly go ahead and open it up. And this also has face unlock, so you don't have to go ahead and draw your pattern, because every time you just go ahead and unlock it and you just look at it, it'll just quickly unlock and get you into the device. That is pretty great. So you can use any of your favorite social media platforms. All of these apps are supported. Even all of these other smartphone applications are supported on this, so you can use majority of those things. So that's pretty great to see all of that is compatible here with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So all of this is powered by Android 11 here with One UI 3.1 here. For anyone who's interested in all the nitty-gritty details and the specifications of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, I will have a link for that down below in the description as well. I don't really like reading out specifications for you guys. I want to share my honest real-world experience, so that's what I try to do in most of my videos. So that's why I don't go much detail into all of those specs, because at the end of the day, no matter what spec the device has, it's the experience that matters. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So if you appreciate that, definitely share this video with all of your friends, and let me know if there's anything else that you want to see covered in the future with the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So like I mentioned, the pricing and all that down below in the description, so check it out. Subscribe for more videos just like this in the future, and until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.